Introducing the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated steering wheel, a roof rack, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.